An estimated 2 billion people worldwide live in areas that lack proper solid waste management systems. Inadequate waste systems present serious risks to human health and the environment. The United States Environmental Protection Agency's Best Practices Guide for Solid Waste Management and accompanying learning modules present best practices for solid waste management in developing countries. This video builds on the Organic Waste Management section of the Best Practices Guide to show the various components of managing organic waste through anaerobic digestion systems. Without adequate means of waste management, such as anaerobic digestion systems, organic wastes like food or yard waste are disposed in landfills or dump sites, where decomposition of the organic waste releases methane into the atmosphere. Landfills are the third largest source of anthropogenic methane emissions globally. Understanding the methane emissions from an anaerobic digestion project can highlight how proper organic waste management plays a key role in a city's climate strategy. Strategies like anaerobic digestion divert organic wastes from landfills and dump sites and transform wastes into valuable end products. Anaerobic digestion involves the breakdown of organic materials by microorganisms in the absence of air. The products of the anaerobic digestion process include biogas, an energy source that contains mostly methane and carbon dioxide, and digestate. Digestate is the material that is left over after organic materials are anaerobically digested. Digestate is rich in nutrients and can be used as fertilizer for crops. But how does anaerobic digestion work? Let's head to New Delhi, India, to see one in action. In New Delhi, organic waste, such as manure and food waste, is collected and transferred to the facility. Once the waste enters the facility, it may need to undergo pre-treatment to ensure the waste is homogenized and to remove any contamination like packaging. Contaminated materials are typically sent to a landfill after removal. After the waste has been pre-treated, it moves into the anaerobic reactor. Without the presence of dissolved oxygen, anaerobic digestion can occur. Anaerobic microorganisms, without oxygen present, are free to convert the organic materials into carbon dioxide and methane. After the anaerobic digestion process is complete, biogas is cleaned of some impurities and captured in a biogas storage balloon. The biogas can be used to produce electricity, heat, and vehicle fuel. The effluent from the digester can be used in a variety of ways, including fertilizer, animal bedding, and for crop irrigation. These products can also be a source of revenue or cost savings to offset the financial burden of building an anaerobic digester. Visit the Environmental Protection Agency's new resource on developing recycling markets for more information on the challenges identifying end markets for digestate and biogas from anaerobic digestion. However, before implementing these projects, stakeholders must assess technical and financial feasibility of anaerobic digestion projects. The Environmental Protection Agency, on behalf of the Global Methane Initiative, developed tools to help stakeholders understand if the conditions are right for anaerobic digestion. The Anaerobic Digestion Screening Tool helps project developers, government agencies, financial institutions, and other stakeholders to determine the feasibility of a biogas project. By entering information on feedstock and system type, the tool generates the following outputs: annual biogas and digestate production, project methane emission reductions, potential end uses of biogas, including estimates for electricity production, natural gas production, cooking gas potential, and home heating potential. The Organics Economics, or OrganX tool, helps determine whether to use composting or anaerobic digestion. OrganX provides planning-level assistance to local governments, waste professionals, policymakers, facility operators, and project developers to help them make financial decisions about their potential organic waste management projects. Anaerobic digestion is one tool to mitigate methane generation from organic wastes. Visit Section 6 of EPA's Best Practices Guide for more information on anaerobic digestion. The guide is part of EPA's Solid Waste Management Toolkit. Scan this QR code for more information. Thanks for watching.